Hi, I'm Riley. I'm a Bupa dietitian and there is nothing that I love more than cooking delicious, nutritious meals for my friends and family. Today we are making chicken and vegetable rice paper rolls. These are so versatile and can be made with whatever you have in the fridge. They are perfect for your kids' lunchboxes, to take to a picnic or for a quick lunch on the weekend. These are such a great option if you are watching your weight because they're full of protein and fibre to help keep you full whilst still being a low-calorie choice. Let's get started. I've already poached and shredded my chicken breast. You can also use some leftover chicken breast that you may have. Just remember to trim all the visible fat and remove the skin to make it a lower calorie option. In the rice wine vinegar, soak your ribboned carrot and your thinly sliced onion for around 10 minutes to let them marinade. Now it's okay to add marinades, flavourings and herbs and spices to your vegetables if it means you're more likely to eat them. So I've drained my carrot and onion and now I'm going to mix all my vegetables and chicken in this large mixing bowl. If you're watching your weight, boosting your vegetable intake is a great way to help with managing your waistline. That's because vegetables are full of fibre, which helps to keep you fuller for longer, but they're also generally quite low in calories. Adults should aim to have 5 serves of vegetables per day, so making sure you include them in your lunch, dinner, and as some snacks will help you achieve that 5 serves. Now for the fun part, we're going to wrap our rice paper rolls. Grab your rice paper sheet and submerge it in some warm water until it's soft and pliable. Don't worry if it's a little bit too firm, it will soften as you work. Once it's feeling soft, place the rice paper onto a plate and then you can load it up with your vegetable mixture. Grab a small handful and place it in the bottom third of the rice paper roll. Then fold in the rice paper from the sides and wrap it up tightly. You can continue to wrap it in from the sides just to make sure the mixture's nice and tight. And here you have it, your healthy chicken and vegetable rice paper rolls. Full of protein from the chicken and fresh veggies, they're a delicious choice to have as an easy snack or your lunch on the weekend. Enjoy and I'll see you next time.